Okay, so we're gonna need 3 bananas. We're gonna remove the peel or the skin, and you're gonna use a fork and start smashing them. Okay, this is the first step for making a banana bread with oatmeal, chia seeds, etc. We're gonna use 1/3 cup of oil, 1 cup of brown sugar, and you're gonna mix everything for 3 or 4 minutes. You can make this if you don't have a machine. You can use your hands if you want, but you're gonna do a lot of work. Since I have a machine like this, I'm gonna use it in this recipe. I like to use a spatula to scrape everything around. Make sure everything's combined very well. Just keep mixing everything. And we're gonna use 2 eggs. You add 1 egg first, and you wait 3 minutes. Then you add the second one. There's nothing like making a banana bread at home if you use like chia seeds, flax seeds, oatmeal, pumpkin seeds. Wow, this is very good. A lot of people like to make banana bread, but I never see people adding like oatmeal, chia seeds, flax seeds. I think we should add fiber. It's a good idea. Okay, now after you added the 2 eggs, you start adding the 3 bananas that we smashed, and just keep combining everything. This is gonna be very fast and easy to make at home, and you can enjoy it with your family. Instead of buying banana breads in bakery, make it yourself. You're gonna be excited. Okay, so we're gonna use 1 cup of flour, wheat flour. You combine everything, and you're gonna wait 2 or 3 minutes, then you add the other one. I like to add baking powder. I like to use a big tablespoon of it. And then you add the second cup of flour. In total, 2 cups of white flour. Keep mixing everything. Our last ingredient, well, we're not there yet. This is the oatmeal, 1 cup of it. Yes, I like it. You have to be like that. You don't have to wet it. You don't have to add water to it. No, just like that, okay? 1 cup of it. Keep mixing everything, and we're gonna add 2 big tablespoons of chia seeds. In the old days, long time ago, there used to be a commercial on TV that used to say chia pets, chia. It was kind of funny. Anyway, so you add the 2 big tablespoons of chia seeds. You can grow chia too on a piggy bank. And we're gonna add some pumpkin seeds. Yeah, 2 big tablespoons of that. You make this banana bread, you're gonna fall in love with this recipe. You're gonna keep making it because, wow, the flavor is amazing. And we're gonna add 2 big tablespoons of flax seeds. Yes, since we have a lot of seeds in our house, in the counter, in your drawers, make sure you use them. People like to use these seeds only on juices. When they use a blender, use it on your breads too. And we're gonna add half a cup of milk. Okay, right here. You can add soy milk if you want instead of cow milk. You can add water if you want, half a cup of it. And we are almost finishing here. This is a quick and fast process of mixing everything. And you're gonna have a beautiful and delicious banana bread with oatmeal and a lot of stuff. In a mold right here that we have, we're gonna spray butter and flour. This one measures 9 inches in length and probably like 3 or 4, maybe 3 inches in deep or depth. Then you add all the mixture that we have here. I put everything, okay? I use the scraper. I don't leave anything in that container, just to let you know. And it's gonna go in the oven. Make sure you bake it for 1 hour or maybe 1 hour. I would say 70 minutes, 1 hour and 10 minutes if you wanna say it that way. And you take it out. It's very, very hot. You don't want to eat it right away. You want to use this instrument right here, and you're gonna flip it over because you want to let it get cool. It's too hot. If you cut it hot, it's gonna crumble. It's gonna fall apart. Just make sure you let it rest for maybe a couple hours. Okay. Wow, this is very good. You got it. You enjoy it. My daughter likes banana bread, and now she likes it more because she can eat the chia seeds, the oatmeal, the pumpkin seeds, and she's only 5 years old, and she enjoy. And we don't eat this every day. Okay, we bake stuff, different kind of breads all the time. So this is to have at home and enjoy it with your friends and family. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it. I hope you give it a try. Make sure you make it. We'll see you next time.